Everybody, myself Rakesh Anjan Srivastava, science teacher in St. Michael's Academy. Now I teach residents of class 6, second chapter, the components of food. This chapter is also related to the first chapter. It means we all study about food and after that, what is food and what are their components and which types of things present in food, which are beneficial for our body and help in the survival of all living organisms. Now the first topic in this chapter, nutrients and nutrition. So both terms are important. What are nutrients and what are nutrition? First, nutrients. What are nutrients? The nutrients are the chemical substances present in our food. They are called nutrients. It means various types of chemical substances present in our food. They are called nutrients and various types of nutrients. You will study in previous chapter that protein, fats, carbohydrates, all are called nutrients and present in our food. And second topic is nutrition. What is nutrition? The second topic is what is nutrition. So nutrition means taking in food and utilize them for gaining energy. This is called nutrition. In general way, we all say that taking in food and utilize them for gaining energy is called nutrition. So we all know about what nutrients and also nutrition. Now we all study about types of food. Types of food. Various types of food materials are present which we obtain from plants and animals. Now we all categorized all types of food in two different categories. So first is called energy giving food. Second is called body building food. And third is called protective food. After that, some others are also important, such as roughage and water. So we all study one by one about this. First is called energy giving food. Then the food material from which we all obtain energy. They are carbohydrates, and fats. These are called energy giving food. We all obtain energy from this. As example, we all eat rice, wheat, maize, and also various types of milk product and also dry fruit, which give us fats. Second is called body building. The food material rich in proteins. It means protein. We all know about body building food. It means all types of food, including or gaining various types of proteins material. They are called body building food. And these proteins help in the formation of all part of our body. And also their smallest unit is called amino acid. Now next, protective food. Protective food, the food which provide us various types of vitamins and minerals, which keep us healthy and also help in the giving a strong our immune system. They are called protective food. And this food also provide us various types of vitamins and minerals. And their sources are fruits and vegetables. Their sources are fruits and vegetables. Now roughage. Roughage are called dietary fibers. They are called dietary fibers. These are not nutrients, and also they help only in the proper removal of waste material from our body and also prevent constipation in our body. Now next is called water. You all know that water is the most important part of our food, because without water nobody can survive, and also they help in various types of jobs. We all study one by one again about water also. In general way, we all know that water also help in the maintain body temperature of our body. In study, we all study about carbohydrate. Different types of nutrients present in our food. The first important part is carbohydrate, and this carbohydrate also we obtain from wheat, rice, maize, and potato. So this carbohydrate provide us energy for doing all types of activities. And carbohydrate also categorized into different groups. First, sugar. Second, cellulose. And third, starch. We all take carbohydrate in the form of various types of food material, and also categorize this carbohydrate into three categories: sugar, cellulose, and also starch. In starting sugar, there are various types of sugars, and also it is called primary carbohydrate, simple carbohydrate. And these sugars also various types present in our food material. As example, glucose, sucrose, fructose, and lactose. These types of sugar present in different category of food and also provide us sugar in the carbohydrate. And this is also called simple carbohydrate. After that, second, cellulose. Cellulose are also called fiber-like structure present in the food material, just like a fiber. It is also sugar present in food, cotton, jute, and also vegetables, peas, and grains. Cellulose are also present in the various types of food material, and also they are also important for our digestion, complete digestion and removal of waste material from our body, and also they are work in the various jobs. Now starch. It is also called complex carbohydrate. Starch also present in wheat, maize and rice. And they are also white powdery parts and also they are tasteless. It means cellulose and starch both are white in color and also powdery mixture, and also they are tasteless, and also they are the major portion of our food materials. Second nutrient is called fats or lipids. Fats are also necessary for our body and also proper growth and also smoothness of our body. And these fats are also called lipids. Different types of plant and animal products also carry fat material. We obtain fat from plants and animals. Plants and animals. From plants, we all obtain fat. They are called unsaturated fat, and fat obtained from animals called saturated fat. Unsaturated fat we obtain from plants in the form of dry fruits and also vegetable, mustard and groundnut, coconut, various types of plant products from which we obtain the fat. And the difference between saturated and unsaturated fat. Unsaturated fat we obtain from plants. They are liquid on room temperature. And saturated fat solid on room temperature. So these are the differences between saturated and unsaturated fat. Now the function of fat. Fat present in our body, generally huge amount of fat deposited under the skin, and also they act as an insulator in our body and always help in the preventing heat loss. During winter, these fat layer present under the layer of skin and help to loss of protein, fat and also heat metal, and also makes our body smooth. In this way, we all study about fat and carbohydrate. And also, I complete this lecture in this part. And also, some questions to the students. They always write as notes about different types of nutrients and nutrition, and also types of food and their function. Thank you.